I'm going to show you the basics to get you started on your knitting journey. First, we're going to make a slip knot. Make a loop, fold the loop back, grab one of your needles and pull up the loop. Place the needle with the working yarn into your left hand and the other needle in your right hand. Loosen the slip knot slightly, and with your right needle, insert into the loop and behind the left needle. Holding the working yarn in your right hand, wrap the yarn behind the right needle and through the middle of both needles. Keeping the working yarn firm in your right hand and a finger on the stitch on the left needle, we're going to slip the stitch off the right needle and onto the left needle. Insert the left needle into the right stitch. Slide the stitch onto the left needle and remove the right needle. Repeat those steps for the number of stitches you wish to cast on. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. Wrap the yarn, pull the right needle through and slide the stitch off the left needle, creating a new stitch on the right needle. All our stitches are now on the right needle, so we're going to place that in our left hand. Take the other needle in your right hand. This time we're going to have the working yarn in front of our needle. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle, purlwise. Wrap the yarn and slide the stitch off the left needle. we're going to knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, and then using the tip of the left needle, slip the first stitch on the right needle over the second stitch, keeping a firm grip on the working yarn, and off the needle. And repeat until there are no longer any stitches on the left needle. When there's only one stitch remaining on the right needle, pull up a loop and fasten off.